Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting slice of drag racing history with a focus on a specific category, junior stock. It's a unique chapter where everyday family sedans went head-to-head on the drag strip. So, buckle up as we explore the world of junior stock drag racing. Junior stock is a class that originated in the 1960s. This category of drag racing allowed drivers to race regular, off-the-lot family sedans. Picture this. You're in your average car, no fancy sports cars or modified machines, just your typical sedan, nothing too flashy. But these cars, even in their stock forms, were pushed to their limits on the drag strip. In the early days of drag racing, it was mostly about performance cars, muscle cars to be exact. However, there was a shift in the 1960s, and junior stock emerged as a way to attract more participants. The idea was to bring a more affordable and accessible style of racing, where families could race together in their everyday sedans. It created a huge wave of excitement, as enthusiasts from all walks of life could now get involved without needing a custom-built race car. So what made a car eligible for junior stock? Well, the key was that the vehicle had to be a factory-available sedan, usually with little to no modification. We're talking about models like the Chevrolet Bel Air, Ford Galaxy, or even a Plymouth Fury. These cars were required to maintain their original engine specifications, keeping things stock. Of course, some allowed for minor adjustments to improve performance, but the goal was to keep them as close to their original factory state as possible. One of the most exciting aspects of junior stock racing was its focus on the everyman. This was racing made accessible to ordinary people with standard vehicles. It made the sport less intimidating and more inclusive, and it allowed families to participate together. Imagine a father and son racing side by side in their family sedans. How cool is that? It was also a way for car manufacturers to show off the strength and reliability of their vehicles. For many, it was about proving that their family sedan could hold its own in the world of high-speed drag racing. Junior stock racing was at its peak during the 1960s and 70s, but as drag racing evolved, the demand for faster, more modified cars grew. Junior stock began to fade in popularity as racers and enthusiasts pushed for faster and more powerful machines. However, the legacy of this category still lives on today, as it introduced a whole new group of people to the world of drag racing. So there you have it. Junior stock was a revolutionary category in drag racing that allowed the average person to take part in a sport that was once reserved for high-performance machines. It brought together families, car manufacturers, and enthusiasts to celebrate the power and potential of everyday sedans. Even though it's no longer the center of the drag racing world, junior stock remains a cool chapter in the sport's history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below about your favorite junior stock car or drag racing memories. Until next time, keep racing!